To-do list, to-do list. How I don't overwhelm myself. It's easy. I'll make it simple. When you want to be productive, you don't have to do it all at once. You start small and enjoy the process. Have fun.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper.
What I have learned is that cleaning motivation is useless if you don't practice discipline. And when discipline is established, you can do it all little by little in any area that you may struggle. And when I came across this saying, my mind kinda shifted.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily.
Choose your pain, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Interesting.
I fear it will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over.
Discipline, it's not easy. And yes, motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. Now, this is where discipline does hurt me personally. That not every day I feel like wanting to do it. And that's where the discipline shift comes in. Back then, when I was little, I felt like I was obligated. But now, I find a purpose in it. And I enjoy it because it's not only for me, but the people around me and the people that watch me. I like to share my flaws, my struggles, and the way I clean. But at the same time, we're all human. And we do struggle with a lot of things that are similar. And if I can be that person to give you hope today, there's always a Monday every single day. You don't have to wait for Monday to come along and get things done or start to work out. Every Monday can be every day. If you fail that Monday, the next day is Monday. And you keep going until discipline is established.
When I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
For the moment, all discipline seems painful rather than pleasant. But later, it yields that peaceful fruit of righteousness to those who have been trained by it. Hebrews 12:11. Do you love knowledge enough to train yourself?
Oh, you tell me that I made you think. If we have something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without thinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own. Oh, you don't hear when I told you how I feel. We are done. We are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
What I'm trying to say is that motivation is good to have, someone to look up to be influenced by, have hope, but we are always looking for that motivation. Always. And then we end up crashing down when the motivation runs out. The past 6 years was a roller coaster for me. I still struggled to be consistent, and I lacked discipline. And who would have known that discipline was exactly what I needed in my life to keep things balanced and to not have to just tell myself what my worth is. My worth is not in my works or what I do or what I have done or what I will do. It's on having self love, respect, and not giving up. Not every day is pretty. And maybe you're just like, you just being so positive right now. I have my days, but I know you have your days too. And everybody's life is different, but one thing that we do have in common is that we are human. And that everybody has a stage of grief, of isolation, depression, the wise question. But I learned that if I just focus in the present and enjoy the smallest things that bring me joy, the rest is going to stay the same. And cleaning definitely will wait for me. But I only have one life. And I had to make the best of it each day. Treat it just as it was going to be my last. And not neglecting yourself is the first thing for discipline. mean, I get it. I used to be too comfortable to the point that it didn't feel challenging. It didn't feel different. It didn't feel like I was accomplishing anything. But as soon as I started to get uncomfortable, I started to see the change in pain, in discipline, and regret was losing the grip on me. I was full of regret. I should have done this. I should have done that. Maybe if I tried this, if I tried that. But I was comfortable just thinking and thinking. But as soon as I started doing instead of thinking and going to the pain, I saw the change. I started to see the picture. It's almost like working out. Nobody really wants to work out for the pain. But you want to work out to get some strength, maybe to change the way you look. But it starts with today is the day and not with one day. No matter how big or small your to do list is, does not define how little or how big you did. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you and catch you on my next one.
Like a leaf in the fall, I feel like I've reached my end. Like the snow when it's hot, don't know if I can stand again. Yeah, I lost my hope, lost my strength. Yeah, I forgot all the love that you showed me. Face to the ground, I'm desperate for my life to change.